So the majority of you guys are just complete sweethearts, and when I bought my house, everybody was like, hey, throw some house needs on Amazon wish list, and we'll help you pick some stuff up. So that's exactly what we've been doing. You guys have been helping out with the house so much. So a lot of this stuff's been coming from you sweet people. This box right here is some outlets, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't remember who sent these because I don't think this one had a label. Sometimes Amazon sends them and they don't have labels on them. So if you sent them, feel free to comment and say something. But either I don't remember or it didn't have a label because we got these a long time ago and we're just barely getting around to it. So there's been 100,000 other things. So I'm getting them all installed. Everything's looking fancy. We got to go into a little bit of a deeper project with these ones because of the backsplash. It's gonna need to be drilled, and we just haven't gotten that far yet. So that's where we're at, and we'll see what happens.
All right, what are we working on, Vance?
Today's project, switching out light sockets.
Yeah.
I mean, electrical sockets, something like that.
Yeah.
Priority one, hire a certified electrician.
And how's that going?
Great.
Because you're a certified electrician?
I am a certified electrician.
Are you really?
And I mean, I'm as certified as a scientist.
There you go. So we're taking, well,
Let's do this. So we're taking all of these.
we're taking all of these old sockets
They have paint all over them, and we're switching them to these.
just give us a new modern look.
Figured we'd give you an insider look to HGTV. Again. Got Mr. Vance over here in my office. The most disgusting thing about this office right now is how much light is in here.
What?
Yeah.
That's the best thing.
No, this is not how we work around here.
Yeah. Well, if you want it done right, you need a little light.
Wow, that was poetic.
I try my best. I've been screwing all day. I gotta come up with some poetry.
I've been screwing all day.
Screwing. Beep beep. Who's got the keys to the Jeep? Vroom.
So my question is, how long is it supposed to take to do this?
Certified electrician can get it done in about 3.5 minutes.
And how long have you been working on this one?
5.5.
Because you're a scientist.
Exactly. And I think somebody stripped our holes.
Oh no.
Now we need a stripper.
We have stripper holes.
Hence the reason we have extra long screws.
Right, well, speak for yourself.
Well, I have an extra long screw. I don't know about you. All right, let me get the right screwdriver. I'll be back.
Are you helping us?
Wait. All right, we're back. Did you figure it out? There we go.
Go to your home. The hole is your home. Yeah.
Remember where all those wires go?
Yeah, I think. It's super easy now. You get the right tools for the right job. I have broken these off in here before though. The screwdrivers, not the wires. Wires are easy, just cut a new wire out. Alright. Looks like a professional.
Alright, so where's that old one at?
So this is the old one.
So this is the old one. Flip it around. We got rid of these old dingy yellowish ones.
With paint all over them.
For these modern new white ones.
Fancy. Like Vanna White.
Yeah.
I look just like Vanna White.
You do.
Put my hair up.
Vanna white.
Vanna White.
Yeah. This one's Vanna yellow.
Vanna Yellow. Vanna White. And I always recommend you hand tighten these with your hand. Otherwise, your power drill might not get them tight enough, and it might just pop off from the back. They don't look like it. That being said, we are going to have to make them fit on the other side. This side. Power walk somewhere else and or
Which is exactly what that is. Yeah.